Dear guests, as a safety measure, the cabin lights will be switched off. If you wish to read, please switch on your reading lights. Thank you.
Sa mga mahal naming panauhin, pansamantala po naming didiliman ang ilaw sa loob ng eroplano bilang paghahanda sa ating paglipad. Sa mga panauhing nagbabasa, maaaring buksan ang inyong reading lights. Maraming salamat po.
Cabin crew visited for takeoff.
Diyos o amaraw. Diyos ay no, umaraw.
Kaya nga po.
Kita mo.
Lalabay. Lalabay. Beacon na po.
Internet ka pa? Diyos?
We are pleased to inform you that we have led 15 minutes ahead of schedule. For safety, please remain seated until the signal sign is switched off. Be careful open the overhead compartment and please ensure have all of your smalls with you before leaving the aircraft. It is a pleasure having you on board and we look forward to serving again soon. On behalf of Ranger Captain Mark Manalo, First Officer MP Lamas, and the rest of crew members, we would like to say thank you. For passengers traveling with infants or given infant like this, please return them to the cabin crew upon dismissal. Sa mga mahal naming panawin, kalalabag lang po natin sa Boracay Airport. Ikinagagalak namin ipaalam na tayo po ay mga 15 minuto sa 3 oras ng pagdating.
Dami na mga to. Wala ko.
Ay, Nora, mag-practice ka na. Ano na yung papa mo? Tatanggal. Magtatanggal daw siya ng bes. Ay.